Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to online class. This is the time coronavirus, COVID-19. We will have to stay at home. So there is no opportunity to take the class in the classroom, and for this purpose we will have to take the class through online. I am going to take a class. My name is Mohsin Azam, assistant teacher, Lokikula Government Primary School, Paikgasa Upazila, Paikgasa, Khulna. Before going to start the class, class 5, subject English, lesson unit 20, page number 78. Today's lesson, Maria is a lot. From here to she was born. Before going to start the lesson, I want to share with you, I want to sing a rhyme song for you. Please listen to the rhyme song. Two little blackbirds sitting on a wall, one called Peter, one called Paul. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Goodbye Peter, goodbye Paul. If you be a blind man, you cannot see anything one. If you be a blind man, you cannot see anything one. Maria the blind girl text English. I think some of you have finished. Maria the blind girl text English. I think some of you have finished. Students of class 5 will have to know what is Braille, how life will go. Students of class 5 will have to know what is Braille, how life will go. Life is beautiful, not to be dull. Two little blackbirds sitting on a wall. One called Peter, one called Paul. Goodbye Peter, goodbye Paul. Thank you very much, my dear students. Now look at the blackboard, look at the whiteboard. This is the picture. I think that you have cleared, you also able to watch what is this, what is the picture about. I think that it is the picture of a blind girl, of a blind girl. She cannot able to see anything in this world, but life is beautiful. So we will discuss about life is beautiful. Before I start the topic, second part of the headline, life is beautiful, some new words. Neighborhood. Neighborhood. Who live beside us. Who live beside us. Next, visually impaired. Visually impaired means unable to see. Unable to see. Next, spring. The season after winter. Spring, the season after winter. Singing birds, which birds can sing. Which birds can sing. Unable, powerless. Unable, powerless. Okay, my dear students, read with me. নেইবারহুড, নেইবারহুড আই মিন প্রতিবেশী। হু লিভ বিসাইড আস, যারা আমাদের পাশে বসবাস করে, দেয়ার নেইবারহুড। ভিজুয়ালি ইম্পায়ার্ড, ভিজুয়ালি ইম্পায়ার্ড আই মিন যারা দেখতে পায় না। আনএবল টু সি, যারা দেখতে পায় না। স্প্রিং, ওয়ান কাইন্ড অফ সিজন of our 6 seasons in our country. So spring is one kind of season. This season come after the winter, after the winter. Singing birds, যে পাখি গান গায়, I mean which birds can sing, সুরেলা পাখি বা গায়ক পাখি। আনাবেল, অসমর্থ, সমর্থ নেই, I mean powerless. Okay, I think that you have cleared these 5 words. Next item, we are now going to start our particular topic. My dear students, open your book at page number 78, and when I will read, you will keep your finger under the line. Maria is a lot like any other students in her neighborhood. She goes to school and likes to be with her friends. But Maria cannot see the beautiful spring day. She cannot see the flowers, the blue sky, or the singing birds. She cannot see the new green leaves on the tree. She cannot see these because she is visually impaired. She has been unable to see since she was born. Dear students, there are some important sentences here. You will have to try its meaning. You will have to try to find out its meaning. Maria is a lot like any other students in her neighborhood. Maria তার প্রতিবেশীদের মতো হতে চায়। She goes to school and likes to be with her friends. সে স্কুলে যায় এবং বন্ধুদের সাথে থাকতে পছন্দ করে। But Maria cannot see the beautiful spring day. But Maria cannot see the beautiful spring day. মারিয়া বসন্তের সুন্দর দিনগুলো দেখতে পায় না। She cannot see the flowers. সে ফুল দেখতে পায় না। The blue sky or the singing birds. সে নীল আকাশ এবং গায়ক পাখিদের সে দেখতে পায় না। She cannot see the new green leaves. সে গাছের সবুজ পাতা দেখতে পায় না on the tree. She cannot see these. সে এ সমস্ত কিছু দেখতে পায় না because she is visually impaired. কারণ সে দৃষ্টি প্রতিবন্ধী, অর্থাৎ চোখে সে দেখতে পায় না। She has been unable to see since she was born. সে জন্ম থেকেই অন্ধ। I think that you have cleared this topic. Okay. Now you will silently read the topic in your home only for 2 minutes. Okay, next. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Maria is a lot like any other students in her dash. B. Maria cannot see the dash spring day. She is visually dash. She has been unable to see since she was dash. These are the 4 sentences and there have some gaps. I mean 4 sentences, 4 gaps. 4 words you will have to set up here. Try to find out. Maria is a lot like any other students In her, okay, neighborhood. Maria cannot see the dash spring day. I think you will able to say, okay, beautiful spring day. Next, she is visually dash. Yes, try to find out. I think that you have found. Visually impaired. Okay, she has been unable to see since she was dash. Okay, I think that you will able to say born. Thank you very much. Now we are going to find out you are right or we are right. Please, next. Yes, the answer, Maria is a lot like any other students in her neighborhood. Okay, we are right. Maria cannot see the beautiful spring day. Beautiful. So, we are right. She is visually impaired. I think impaired, it is right word here. She has been unable to see since she was born. So, we have cleared these four, fill in the blanks, four words we have cleared. Now, we are going to discuss about question. Question number 1. Please try to find out the answer of this question. Number 1, where does Maria go? Where does Maria go? Try to find out the answer of the question from this short topic. Okay. Next question, what is Maria's problem? What is Maria's problem? Maria's সমস্যাটা কি? Next question, which things cannot Maria able to see? Which things, কোন কোন জিনিসগুলো সাধারণত মারিয়া দেখতে পায় না? Number 4, it is the last question for you. Why cannot Maria able to see? Why cannot Maria able to see? Dear students, where does Maria go? Okay, I think that you have tried to find out the answer. Maria goes to school. Okay, what is Maria's problem? Maria সমস্যাটা কি? Maria cannot see. She cannot see more. Nothing. She cannot see nothing. Okay. Which things cannot Maria able to see? I think that Maria cannot see. You also think that Maria cannot see the beautiful sky, flower, beautiful singing birds, and also the beautiful green leaves and so on, which is too much beautiful in the world, she is not able to see. It's the main problem, I think that. Number next, why cannot Maria able to see? কেন মারিয়া দেখতে পায় না? Maria cannot see because she is visually impaired, কারণ সে দৃষ্টি প্রতিবন্ধী. She is visually impaired by born. সে জন্ম থেকেই অন্ধ. She is disabled or unable to see. It's the system of nature. So she is blind by born. Okay, we are going to find out, we are trying to match the answer of these four questions here. Where does Maria go? Maria goes to school. Okay, we are right. What is Maria's problem? Maria cannot see anything. Maria cannot see anything. It's her problem. Which things cannot Maria able to see? কোন কোন জিনিস মারিয়া দেখতে পায় না? সাধারণত Maria cannot see the beautiful spring day, blue sky, flowers, green leaves, etc. and so on. She cannot able to see. But in our topic we have found only these four elements here. But actually she doesn't see anything. Okay. Next. Why cannot Maria able to see? Maria কেন দেখতে পায় না? Maria cannot see because she is visually impaired. I think that you have cleared all these four answers of the four questions. Now My dear students, you will also write down on your khata these 4 answer of these questions, and after completing my answer of the questions, my dear students, you will try to write down 4 sentences about Maria. Now make 4 sentences about Maria from this topic. I think that this work is actually your homework, but you can also write down at present. Suppose already we have cleared various kinds of sentences here, such as Maria is blind, Maria is visually impaired, she cannot see the beautiful sky, beautiful spring day, she cannot see the beautiful leaves of the tree, and so on. There are a lot of sentences we have understood before. From this topic you will write down only 4 sentences, only 4 sentences from this topic. It's your homework. Okay, my dear students, actually this is the time for coronavirus, and we will have to stay at home. We will have to stay at home. We will have to stay at home because the world is now too much in the problem of coronavirus. We are also suffering a lot. You will also stay at home. Try to help your senior person to better understand for any topic, any subject, and all the time you will try to wash your hands, try to use mask, and do not move from here to there unnecessary. Stay at home. That will be very much helpful for you to recover from this type of disease, this type of virus, coronavirus COVID-19. And thank you very much. Thank you all. Okay, Allah Hafiz.